Toyota Wish, 1.8cc, year 2014 to 2018 model car. The problem with this car is that the air condition of the car is not cold, and after AC running for some time suddenly stops. AC compressor cooling fan all stops. Air condition does not work. How to solve this kind of problem? For that, watch this video. Today's full video. You can also repair it, inshallah. From this channel SES Automotive, I begin with my best wishes and congratulations.
See that after starting the engine of the car, the AC is on position, but the problem of the car is that the AC air does not cool. How to check the AC temperature of the car? So I will first check the temperature of the AC of the car with a thermometer.
A few minutes later.
After running the AC of the car for 15 to 20 minutes, the air of the AC does not cool. When tested with a thermometer, it cools down to only 30 degrees Celsius. Open the front bonnet hood and see if AC compressor and cooling fan are working or not. See, car AC cooling fan is not running. Car AC compressor is not running. Check that the AC gas of the car is completely full. The AC gas of the car is completely full, but what is the problem? The AC compressor and cooling fan of the car are not running, so the air of the AC does not get cold. I will check it. Now I will check with the aircon computer to see if there is any fault code in the AC of the car. To check the engine code, first place the ignition key switch in the on position. CAC fault code B1497 communication malfunction, bus IC.
B1497 bus IC communication malfunction is the common cause of this code. 1. Air conditioner harness. 2. AC amplifier. B1497 code may be caused by the air condition is too cold and ice is formed, or the air condition is too cold, the servo motor inside the dashboard does not work. The air of the car is slightly warmed up. Condition stops. AC does not work. Toyota Wish, which is the problem of this car. Remember that your car may have these problems.
Locates the AC control module. Check if there is any problem. Since there is no other problem. Toyota Wish AC control module is located on the front right side under the steering wheel near the handbrake. Open the cover and see this is the AC control module. Remove the AC control module by unscrewing the 10mm size screw. Check this out. If the AC control module of Toyota Wish car is faulty, then the air condition will not work. I will check by opening two cable sockets of the AC control module. Now I open the AC control module and check inside to see if there is any problem. Now I open the cover by pushing the locks upwards to open the control board inside the AC control module. Open the 4 locks on both sides and take out the cover. After removing the cover, now hold the control board inside with your hand and pull it out. Check the AC control module inside the control board is short-circuited and damaged. See, the control board has been sorted due to water entering inside the control board. So the air condition of the car does not work. Clear, not showing due to camera problem. See, now it is clear that the color of the control board has fallen into the water. AC control module is faulty, so I will replace it. And if you can repair the control module. AC control module's cable sockets are rusted due to water. I will clean it with cleaner spray. Corroded cable sockets due to water may cause line connection problems. Check AC control module cable socket and clean it by spraying it. After cleaning the 2 wire sockets, I will now install another same AC control module. Now I will connect the 2 wire sockets to the new AC control module. See, I installed the new AC control module. See here, there are 2 AC control modules. The new one has been fitted. And the broken AC control module is here. Now I will first turn the ignition switch to the on position. We'll clear air condition fault code with scan computer and check if AC is cooling. To clear the air condition fault code, click on clear fault code and read fault code to view the code again. Fault code clear. Now there is no fault code. Now I will start the car engine to check the air condition. To start the engine, first click the push start button, turn the ignition switch to the on position, and press the brake pedal with your foot and click the push start button. After starting the engine, now I will turn on the air condition and see if the AC is cold or not. Turn on the air condition and see how cold it is. I put a thermometer on it. Now I came out of the car and tested the engine compartment AC gas meter to see if the AC compressor and cooling fan are running or not. Look at the AC gas meter and understand that the AC compressor and cooling fan are working properly. Now I will go inside the car and see how much the AC has cooled down. Look, now the air of the AC of the car has cooled down to -5 degrees Celsius. It has become very cold. If you have any problem understanding something after watching the video, please comment.